Citizens Coalition for Change self-proclaimed Interim Secretary General Sengezo Chavangu has announced plans to hold a party congress before the end of 2024. Chavangu vowed to restore the party's commitment to constitutionality and legality, ending internal conflicts and kindergarten politics. We are organizing to hold a congress to bring back our esteemed opposition to its roots, Chavangu said. It's time for proper politics that fall within the confines of the law. The congress aims to reaffirm the party's credibility, re-establish its democratic principles, and set a new direction. CC officials say the gathering will mark a significant turning point for the opposition party. And then the statement from Chavangu got some reaction from other ex-users who were commenting that there is nothing constitutional about everything Chavangu has done. Somebody goes on to say that you are a stupid sellout. There is no strong opposition in Zimbabwe without Chamisa. So all your nonsense here on Twitter, but on the ground, you know you're the most hated individual. CCC interim SG is full-blown ZANU-PF member. Go to Congress with your ZANU-PF CCC. So these are the people, that's what people were saying following the statement from Chavangu that he wants to, he's organizing to hold a congress before the end of the year. We are not so sure if this is really a statement from Sengezo Chavangu, since he denied ownership of any social media handle. Let's get to hear what you think about all this. Thank you for watching the Red Corner YouTube channel. Please subscribe.